Hi students, very good morning to everybody. This is Dr. Rajan Singh, HOD at English Department, Syed Sanjay Singh Mahila College, Bhabua, affiliated to Bir Kumar Singh University, Yara. Students, today I am going to discuss very important questions. Sketch the character of Lady Macbeth in drama Macbeth for UG students, BA Part 2 English Honors. Students, listen to me. It wouldn't be fair to compare Lady Macbeth with the Assyrian Clytemnestra, with the whom she is occasionally compared. She may neither be Cordelia nor Portia, that are loved and remembered by the readers for their feminine sweetness and rationality. Even she seems highly different from Viola, Desdemona, Miranda in the matter of flesh and blood. Even she cannot be remarked as the super witch called by Goethe, though as a temptress. She is much more inescapable than the witches themselves. If she were the fourth witch, she would have been not only guided by Hecate, but also the downfall of Macbeth would have been made possible by her, as it has been conducted in paradise by Saturn. If she had been the fourth witch, she wouldn't have fallen a victim to nervous hysteria after the slaughter of Duncan, which is vindicated by the following lines of Lady Macbeth. Here is the smell of the blood still, all the perfumes of Arabia will not sweeten this tighter hand. Oh. Although she appeals the power of darkness to take her milk for gall, at the same time she is also blamed for being an unsexed woman, owing to the following remarks of her own. I have given suck and know how to tender it is to love that milk me. I would, while it was smiling in my face, have plucked my nipple from his boneless gums and dashed the brain out. Yet she cannot be accused in this manner, in that what she has remarked as regards of the slaughter of Duncan is for the fulfillment of Macbeth's super ambition. If she were an unsexed woman, she wouldn't speak with kindness like that of a sweet-hearted woman. If he had not resembled my father, I would have been killed him myself. Lady Macbeth's character seems immense, odious, and atrocious due to her passionate love for her husband. And in order to fulfill his super ambition, she resolves to rear him and strengthen his hands. If Macbeth has not informed Lady Macbeth at the prophecies of the Weird sisters, she wouldn't have conspired against Duncan. Apart from this, Lady Macbeth is blind to all consequences. She is unaware of her limitations as a crimes without her searching, and without any relation of their consequences and after effects. When she is faced with this, she is surprised and overwhelmed she loses her strength of mind and falls victim to a battle nervous distemper. The eternal feminine is the basic element in her character. On the whole, so as to fulfill the temper ambition of her husband, she has reached the destination from where to escape is impossible. Thank you. That's that.